Hello, my name is Greg Glemser from Doylestown Gold Exchange Jewelers, and how to invest in precious metals. Right now, with our economy, with the way things are in this world, there's a lot of uncertainty. We've been in business for over 2.5 years now, and definitely probably the largest growing portion of our business is people walking in or calling us on a daily basis asking about gold, silver, and what this thing is about, having it and investing in it, and not just buying a stock, but having an actual gold coin in their hand as an investment. As we've been in this business, we talk to a lot of people, we have a lot of experience, and we also continually educate ourselves on why people are buying this, why we think it's a good idea, or try to answer questions when people have them about these precious metals. Because you have a very volatile market, you have a lot of uncertainty, as I said, so where to put it, what to buy, it's kind of, sometimes it's a coin flip, sometimes you just don't know what to do. So as people come to us, again, we educate ourselves, we talk to buyers, we talk to financial people, and we try to find the best way to explain what this is all about. The main thing is to come into our store and visit us and talk to us, feel comfortable with us and who we are, and sit down and talk about all the different aspects, because this could be a conversation that could go on. And if you're watching this video, you've probably done some research and know there is a lot to grasp. The main thing that people are looking to do is preserve their wealth. That's kind of the real basic core idea of what buying gold and silver is. It's not something to buy today when it's a little bit under $1,300, and when it hits $1,400 you sell it and you made your $50 to $100 and you move on. It's more of an idea of buying it, it's a long-term hold, and it's kind of your last line of defense. Basically, if you buy $10,000 worth of gold and silver today at $1,300, you buy it, you put it in your safe place, and it stays there. Maybe you don't see it for 10 or 20 years. Now, if gold jumped up and doubled, then you might have to consider selling it, making some of your profit. But the general idea is to have it for a kind of last resort. If you lose a job and you need to get some cash, you might sell a gold coin. If something else occurred, you needed a few $100s to buy something, maybe you're selling some of your silver eagles that you had purchased. But the main thing is, when you buy it, you have to have a mind frame of what this actually is. As I said, to the stock market, people buy a stock at 22, they want to sell it at 26. So the mind frame is the most important, because the market is very volatile, it fluctuates, and once you get into this game, you're going to need to understand there's going to be ups and downs, but you need to know as the investor what your end goal is. We're not going to advise you when to buy, how much to buy. We're here to guide you and help you and offer what we see and what we know, so when you eventually do plop down the money to make this investment, you feel confident in whatever happens as far as your investment goes. We sell a lot of this in store. We've also become brokers, in which people are coming to us, and we're going to go out and get these items at places that we know are reputable, so that when the items come in, we can get them to you. So there's many different ways to approach this, but there's a lot of education, and you also need to know exactly what you want to do or are willing to do, so in the end, you're going to be happy with your purchase as you buy and sell precious metals. So please call us at 215-345-6630. We'd love you to stop in our store. We are shipping around the country, so we do talk to people in other states and go through exactly what is involved in this, some of the pitfalls, because there's a lot of companies out there. So the main thing you're going to want to know is the person you're buying from you trust. That's going to be the main thing, and you understand what you're getting involved in. So please reach out to us. Any questions, feel free to call us anytime. We love talking about this, and we love trying to answer questions and finding out anything, to help you as you move forward. Doylestown Gold Exchange Jewelers, always involved in precious metals, always educating ourselves so we can help you, the consumer, when it comes time to make that decision.
At Doylestown Gold Exchange Jewelers, we buy gold, silver, diamonds, and coins. With a graduate gemologist on staff, we also sell diamond engagement rings and fine jewelry at prices that are right for you. Learn more at doylestowngoldexchange.com.